How's everyone doing today or this evening, wherever you are? So today I want to do a quick greenhouse update in the Carport greenhouse here. It's been a while. I haven't been over for about 3 days now. It hasn't rained, I haven't watered. It's been so hot here, like 35 degrees. This week's supposed to be 35 degrees all week, no rain. I don't think it's rained in almost 3.5 weeks now. Rained a bit the other night, I think for like 10 minutes, but not enough to do anything. So this is what's going on in the greenhouse Carport. The carrots are coming along. I've been thinning them out. They're still a bit small, but we've been thinning them out nicely. I'm gonna probably try to pick some more in the next day or two. And then the peppers are in between here. They're coming up nicely. I need to thin out the carrots so they get a little bit more light down there. But they're coming along slowly. Some of them have nice flowers on them. And then here's my pickling cucumbers and cucumbers I have along here. And they're coming along really nice. They're loving the heat in here. And as you can tell, the trellises are working amazing. I'm just wrapping them around as they go up. Just like this. And that helps them from falling over and going up nicely. These guys I probably have to trellis up a bit as well. But they're coming along nice. And I think I saw a few cucumbers here. Or pickling cucumbers anyways. There's one down here somewhere. Yeah, look at him. I should probably pick him today. The one problem I don't like about picking cucumbers is you need a lot of plants because they all produce slightly different times. So once they start coming on, they come on really well. But at the start of the season, when you get one or two here, it takes a while for them to come on. But there we go, 2 more down there. I don't know if you can see them there. Looking nicely there. Oh, there's the other one I showed you. And then I've got my cucamelons down here. I don't know how well they're doing. They're kind of a wild looking plant. Oh, here's a little baby cucamelon here. If you can see that. So first time growing these guys. I kind of was hoping they were going to trellis up a bit more, but I haven't been out here enough to really help train them. And over here, the Hackerize, I've basically got them all cropped out. And I haven't watered here for a while either. It's kind of frustrating. Tomatoes, they're not doing as well as I was hoping here in the greenhouse, but then I haven't been over here to really take care of them. These guys are coming along nicely, getting a little bigger over here. I'm gonna have to try to trellis them up too as well and get a little bit of time. And I got some, oh, here we go, we got some tomatoes. I think this was a purple Russian, this one here. Gotta find the, no, atomic grape. So these are cherry tomatoes, these guys here. And then down here I've got my eggplants. They're kind of coming along slowly in this greenhouse here. Probably try weeding as well. But it's been so busy the past few weeks I haven't been able to get over here. There's some more. These are Stupicky tomatoes. Nice to see that they're forming tomatoes now. Yeah, I've got the eggplants here for them. Basil, they've doubled in size the past few days with the hot heat here. I'm sure with this really hot heat wave we're having the next week, they will probably explode. And over here I transplant some more cucumbers and pickling cucumbers, some more tomatoes, got some more peppers I put in. These are habaneros I put in. And I gotta take out all this lettuce now. It's been in here way too long. It's probably super bitter. So I just haven't had time to do that. It's no fun having a real job and then trying to do this on the side to have some fun and grow some food. But anyways, there's a quick greenhouse Carport update. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. We'll see you out there. Subscribe, share, and happy gardening.